this off. Alright, we got 17 millimeters for this one. There we go. Now this one. Alright. Jeez. There we go. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, well, because you're supposed to have a screw on there, but it don't really matter because they make them out of aluminum and they break. But yeah, the caliper holds on the rotor. It's locked up. Sheesh. Didn't we just do these pads?
Oh, we did my front one.
Oh, yeah, you need rear pads. Alright.
It went terrible.
Yeah.
Until he sees them.
Yeah, that was before the grinding and everything. Alright, let's take off this. Let me get this off real quick. Stop. Whew. Let me check this rotor out. The rotor don't look too bad actually. Oh yeah, they're burning. Can't see.
Not terrible though, right?
No. They start cracking and then they'd be warped, but I don't got no tool to measure that. Bang's decent.
How soon do you think?
As soon as possible. Alright guys, got the caliper here. 14mm bolt here. I'll take this one off because I'm gonna get this grease off of here. Set that down. Pull the pins out. Alright, see, barely got any grease on it. That's that. Off there. Jeez. All right. I got it upside down. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do that way. That way I got more space. So our bleeder valve is going to go at the top there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this bracket on. Get rotors on. Put that on. Make sure they don't rub. Good. This one. This one. It's gonna be our front and our back. Clips, tension springs. It's gonna go on like this. Just like that. Now, put our caliper. Making sure that bleeder valve's on the top. Tension springs in there. Oh yeah, oh, we can connect it last. That's easier. This don't gotta be too tight. Just like that. Alright, that's good. We got another 14mm here. You're gonna want to go pretty fast with this one. Let me just set this up somewhere. Alright, I got it. Get this one out. One on the bottom, one on the top of our banjo bolt. Oh yeah, we're gonna want to catch this.
You sure it's 2008? No, 2007, right?
Yeah.
Maybe tell them in 2008, say 2007.
Now I'll just put it on there. Oh, almost forgot the copper washer. Yeah, now you usually want to replace these brake lines when you replace the caliper, but we're not doing that today.
How much oil you on this one?
Alright, that looks good. You want it tight. Them copper washers are going to get crushed. You can only use them once, so make sure you put it on right. No, not at all. Put this on my parking brake cable. Alright.
You want to do brake pass at all?
I could try, yeah.
Tell me on time.
Not at the same time. Alright. Now we just gotta bleed our fluid out and we're good to go. But you see what these tension springs on? It doesn't touch the pad with the rotor. So it's only gonna grind down when you apply those brakes, because those little tiny springs in there keep the pad from touching the rotor, so it makes them last longer. Caliper on here. First, we're just gonna tap the brakes a couple times to get that fluid in there. Right there. Alright. Open our valve here. Alright, gonna start pumping. Yeah, I'm closing now. Alright. Alright. Putting it up again. Pull this up. Open this cap.
It's like pudding.
Right here. You don't want no brake fluid on nothing, cause it eats away paint. So I think I got it all. Alright, there we go. And so we got a little bit more on there. Alright. Check this fluid and put a little bit more in there. So I left a little bit of room because we're gonna do those rear brakes probably tomorrow. So you just want to make sure you hit them brakes a couple times, a few times before you start driving. Alright, good to go. Thanks for watching.